In this video, we go through the process of changing the engine air filter in a Toyota Sienna. Start by locating the air box. Then, use a 10mm socket with a 6-inch extension to loosen the two bolts holding the cover on. Note that the bolts remain captured by the upper cover. With the two bolts loose, lift up the right side of the cover and pull the old air filter out. Next, grab the new filter. The OEM part number is 1433003. I'll include a link in the video description. Carefully feed the new filter into the air box. Note that one corner is sharper than the others. That corner should reside in the front right side as you look at it. Here. Now, fit the left side of the cover into its clips. Then, tighten up the two bolts holding the cover on. If this was helpful, please subscribe. Every click helps.